remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened, seat backs and tray tables in their full upright lock position, and all carry-on items to right where they are until the aircraft arrives at the gate and the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please use caution when you open the overhead bins, as items you have placed there may have shifted a little bit during the flight. If you're making connections here in Tampa, check the TV monitor in the gate area for your flight and gate information. This is the termination of this flight, so be sure you check ready for all the personal belongings you brought on board. It's been our pleasure serving you today. Thanks for choosing Southwest, and welcome to Tampa.